Hello friends, my name is Raza Masood. Today we'll discuss about a topic Tuckman ladder model for team building. Friend, this is a very important topic with respect to project management and PMBOK, project management body of knowledge. We will see this topic in detail, that what does it mean by team building and what exactly mean by Tuckman ladder model of team building. Friend, if you are a professional project manager, so this is very important for you to understand the topic in detail so that you can apply this approach, apply this knowledge in your professional and practical life of project management. Friend, if you are studying project management in any university or planning to give exam of PMP, so again this topic is very important so that you will definitely see few questions in the exam which are directly related to the topic team building. So friend, let's start. First of all, I would request to please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell option as well so that my new videos can reach to you. So let's start. Team building model, Tuckman ladder. First of all, friend, try to understand that what does it mean by team. What is team, friend? Friend, see, if you are just try to understand first the team. If you are on the roadside and you just seen that 5 persons are coming from the road, and they all are wearing different clothes, different style of walking, and you will say that 5 persons are coming. Okay, now you just another 5 persons seen that wearing a same uniform of cricket, for example, and they are walking together, they are talking to each other, and the body language is very similar with each other. So you just say that the 5 persons of cricket team is coming. So friend, try to understand that what is the difference, that why we say that this is a team of cricket and why we will say that these are 5 persons only. See friend, whenever we talk about a team means individual group of persons having the same objective, aim and goal in their mind. For example, if we talk about cricket team, so that means they have the same goal and objective. They want to defeat the other team, opponent team. They want to win a match. So friend, whenever we talk about team, it means the group of persons who are having the same objective, goal and objective in their mind. So that is why we call them as a team. Now friend, we can understand the team. Friend, whenever we talk about a team has multiple factors, multiple ingredients. For example, they have the same objective, they have one leader, they are working together for a single cause. The objective, aim and the mission is same. So that is why we call them as a team. For example, in a software house, 10 people are working as a team together to deploy a project of e-commerce. So we will say that it is a ABC project team. Why? Because they all are different, in color, they are different in approaches, they all are, some of them are software designers, some of them are software developers, some of them are production deployment team, some of QA persons. All are having different background, different knowledge, different experience, different thoughts. However, we are still saying that it's a single team, it's a team of ABC project. Why? Because they have the same objective. That is why we call them as a team. Now friend, coming towards our main topic, Tuckman's ladder model for team building. Friend, Tuckman ladder model is basically talks about a team building. It talks that how when the team starts performing, what are the, basically it talks about the stages. It refers to stages, that what are the stages which came in a stages of a team building. Okay, there are multiple stages which Tuckman refers. First one is forming, then storming, then norming, then performing and then adjourning. Okay, Just see from here: forming, storming, norming, performing, and then adjourning. So these are the stages which came in a life cycle of our team building, and every team goes through these stages. So friend, Tuckman basically a person who present the theory of team building. He defines the stages through which every team goes through. Okay, so now we discuss about in detail that what are those stages and what does it mean. Friend, first of all, try to understand that these are the stages of team building. Team building means, friend, that for example, you just joined as a project manager in a software house, okay, and then a team of like for example, two software developer, one software designer, one QA person, and one database engineer has been assigned to you. Okay, now just imagine that what are the stages through which the team building through which the team will goes through. First of all, forming. Forming means, friend, that like for example, it's a very initial stage. Initial stage means that, friend, you just imagine, just think of a moment that a project has been assigned, and very different people, very different thoughts of people. Some people are very aggressive, some people are very offensive, some people are very annoying, some people are very defensive in nature, some people are very talkative, some people are very quiet. So all these of types of people and types of stakeholders are there. They are sitting together, and it is a moment of forming. Forming means team is forming. Team forming means that they are sitting together. They just start working together. It's a very initial stage of working, team building. At this stage, people just start talking with each other and working together. At this moment of time, many problems occur. Why? Because most of the people don't know about each other, their behavior, their thoughts, their working style. So at this moment, it's a forming stage, and many problems, many issue arises. You just imagine this stage of a work at which the team just starts working. Okay, they don't know about each other, they don't know about their style of working, they don't know about the project, they don't know about the style of working, the pressure which they will face. So it's a very early stage of a project which is called as forming. Forming means things are forming, team is forming. Okay, then the next stage is storming. Storming means, friend, that things will starts working, and at this stage of time, the team starts conflicting with each other. Conflicting means, friend, that issues are arising. Like for example, many times it happens that software developers are saying the design is not good, the database engineers are saying that the programming is not good, the deployment engineers are saying that the software development is not good. Many problems are occurring, communication issues are occurring, so many issues are there. So at this stage of time, the issues are occurring. Many times it happens the ego problem is there, clashes are there, conflicts are there. So it's a stage of storming. Storming means that issues are coming. Why issues are coming? Because now team starts building, now team starts working. When they starts working in actual, so at this moment of time, the issues are definitely will arise. Why? Because communication gaps occur, multiple several issues will occur because team don't know each other about very properly. So that is the moment many issues are occur. Then the next stage is norming. Norming means, friend, that at this stage team starts trusting each other, like they starts trying to understand each other, their habits, their behavior, their working style, their egos, etc., etc. So now at this moment, team can understand each other, their approaches, their style of working, their thoughts. Now they starts with each other understand. When they starts understanding each other, things will becoming normal at this moment. Okay, so this is called as the stage of norming. Then the next stage is performing. Performing means that this is the stage of work, stage of a team when the teams completely understand each other and the behavior or are totally understood, and then it is the stage when team typically perform very well. Why? Because they understand each other very properly, they know about each other, and this is the stage when in actual they perform very good. At this stage they perform very good, very well, and they very cohesiveness is there, team work is there. Basically that is the stage which actually called as teamwork. Teamwork means, friend, they are working together, they are working as a one team, they are not individuals, they are one team and they are working together as a single team. So this is the stage which is called as performing. Then the next one is adjourning. At this stage the project finish and the staff will release, and the this is called as adjourning stage. You can think of it as a project closure stage, at which the project closed and the team will be released, and at this moment project manager can arrange celebrating party, etc., etc. So adjourning stage is a moment, is a stage at which the project closed and the team members and the team has been released, team has been dissolved. Why? Because the project has been finished. So friend, these are the stages which are defined by Tuckman ladder, and which are very basic stages through which every team goes through. And friend, with respect to exam point of view, you must know each and every stage, and you must know as a professional project manager that what are the stages, because if you know it very well, you can, when you go through in actual in a project in these stages, so you will be well aware that what are the stages and how you must have to behave in that situation. So friend, that's all from my side. I hope you like this video. If you like, please share it with your friends and colleagues, and thank you, thanks a lot for your time. Okay.